The federal government has ignored the court order to suspend Rivers State allocation. That is to say, all the drama that Wike did at the Federal High Court Abuja to suspend Rivers State allocation has become null and void because facts say that Rivers State will be receiving their due allocation. So can someone tell Wike to wake up already and stop playing himself God? That you are the ex-governor of Rivers State and the current minister of FCT does not make you a god, does not put you in charge of Rivers State. He should just wake up that Fubara is in charge right now. Irrespective of whatever happened or however he came to power, he is now the governor. And he should respect that. And stop fighting him and stop all this drama. You cannot be the minister of FCT and the governor of Rivers State at the same time. I mean, he should wake up. You were once the governor of Rivers State and that time has gone. And you know when he was the governor, he thought he had stopped time. That's one thing all these politicians don't understand. That you're in power today doesn't mean you'll be in power tomorrow. Time continue to move by. You cannot pause time. You can't stop time. That is why you are not God. You are there today. Tomorrow you will no longer be there. And life continues and politics continues in Nigeria. So why is he so bitter about Rivers State that he's no longer in charge of it? Does he want to be in charge of Rivers State forever? You've been there for 8 years. And when Wike was the governor of Rivers State, nobody was controlling him. And someone also put him there. He didn't just emerge as the governor of Rivers State. Now someone else is in that position and all he wants to do is to control him. He's just daydreaming. He should leave Fubara alone. He's now the governor of Rivers State. You know, one thing about all these governors, when they become a governor, they will think they have pause time. They will think 8 years is like 800 years. They don't know it will come and go and another person will take over. And that is the reality that Wike does not want to accept. That he is no longer in charge of Rivers State IGR. He is no longer in charge of Rivers State allocation. He should wake up. And he is even the minister of FCT. I cannot wait to see when Wike ceases to be the minister of FCT. I mean, what his life will look like. Because at the pace he's going, heart attack can kill this man. He can even fall into depression. The way he just wants to be control of everything. The way he doesn't want to let go of power. Of democratic power, political power. Something you were not born with. You just happen to be there. You find yourself there. But you don't want to wake up to the reality that time passes by. And with time, things changes. And you cannot continue to be in power forever. So he should even count himself lucky that he is even the minister of FCT right now. Because I don't know what would have happened. All I'm saying is that he should leave Governor Fubara alone. He should allow that man to serve the people of Rivers State. He is the governor right now. How can you pen the allocation of Rivers State? Because you're fighting with the governor. Now the civil servants should go to hell. Pensioners should go to hell. Political aides should go to hell. So you now want to suspend other people's salary. You want to suspend everything that is happening in Rivers State because you're fighting with the governor. Are you God? I mean, what's going on in this country? Why can't all these politicians understand that this is not their private business? We are talking about the people of Rivers State here. And because you think you're the minister of FCT, you can just pen the allocation of Rivers State and every other person in Rivers State should go to hell. I mean, what's Wike thinking? That he's God, the God of Rivers State or what? What is happening? This is just political power. Even as he's the minister of FCT today, tomorrow he will not be there again. I hope he understands that. Because the way he's even going about his power of being the minister of FCT, the way he's displacing people from their houses without sympathy, without making other provisions. I mean, this is just political power. You are there to serve the people. You are there because of the people. He should understand that. Honestly, when I'm watching all this Wike's drama as the minister of FCT, the way he treats people without compassion, the people that put you there, the people that you are there because of them. You're not there because you're Wike, you're there to serve the people. But he doesn't even see it in that angle. And now you are no longer the governor of Rivers State, but you cannot, bear to let that power go. Rivers State is not your private business. You were once the governor, and now you are no longer the governor. Another person is the governor. Can he just accept that? Can he wake up to that reality? That he will never be the governor of Rivers State again. And he will never control who becomes the governor of Rivers State again. That authority, that power has come and gone, and things are changing every day. Time is moving. You cannot pause time. You are a human being. You can't pause time. So time will continue to move. You can only look back to history, to your achievement, accomplishment, to things you have done before. But time will continue to move. That's what makes us human beings. So he should stop playing himself God. I don't know why he's fighting Fubara this much. Is it because of Rivers State allocation? Is it because of Rivers State IGR? You were there before. Nobody was fighting you for Rivers State allocation. Nobody was fighting you for Rivers State IGR. You were there as the governor of Rivers State, spending the money the way you like. Even when you were sponsoring PDP campaigns, buying buses, even for states that didn't even need your help, to sponsor everything that was going on in PDP. You think you'll be Rivers State governor forever? Things have changed. So he should really wake up to this reality that he is no longer the governor of Rivers State. And Fubara is the governor of Rivers State. Whether you are the one that brings him there or not, we don't care. All we know is that he is the governor. Allow him to be the governor. The same way you brought him up is the same way someone else brought you up, and you were not loyal to any of those people. So how do you expect him to be loyal to you? Karma is real. And why should he even be loyal to you to the extent you're going about it? I mean, he needs his freedom to work as the governor of Rivers State. They elected him as their governor. You didn't just put him there. They elected him. So whatever story that made them to elect him is the people's choice. And they love him. And they want him to be their governor. So any kind of internal politics you're playing in Rivers State just, to attack the governor, I mean, he should just stop. There is no how Wike is going to defeat Governor Fubara. He's not the governor. He's in power. He's in charge. And he was your student. You taught him very well. So, and he is giving you back your own game, and you cannot just swallow it. You can't bear to see what is happening. But that is just the reality. Honestly, the way Wike is going, I hope when he ceases to be the minister of FCT, I hope he can accept that. I hope he can be able to swallow that pill. I know he was once in control. He once had that political power, but now it is gone. And that is the reality of life. Honestly, all I'm just saying is that he should leave Governor Fubara alone. This is politics, and just move on. That you are the ex-governor of Rivers State and the current minister of FCT does not make you a god, does not put you in charge of Rivers State. He should just wake up that Fubara is in charge right now. Irrespective of whatever happened or however he came to power, he is now the governor. And he should respect that. And stop fighting him and stop all this drama.